Sometimes it's all about which side of the ball you're on. This morning, the offense was on the field from the moment the bell rang, when the S&P and the NASDAQ were in a foot race to see which could rise faster. But just when it looked like the NASDAQ rally would continue for an 8th straight day, the whole market simply fell apart. Turns out the offense had a false start. Hence this zebra outfit and my yellow flag. And the rest of the day, it was game over with the once mighty Dow leading the down leg again, off 614 points. S&P not far behind, down 1.56%, while the NASDAQ held up slightly better, I guess, declining just 1.24%.
The House of Pain.
What happened? Did the offense jump too soon? Simple. We realized that when a company lays off tons of people, Wall Street no longer considers it a good thing. Before the opening, Microsoft announced it was laying off 10,000 people. At first, the market seemed to rejoice, as it did when Meta fired people at Salesforce after that. But then it seemed to dawn on people that, unlike those two others, we never really expected Microsoft to have a problem. They never fumble. Ball! Sure, a couple weeks ago, CEO Satya Nadella said he would seize tougher times ahead. But who doesn't? So Microsoft stocks goes from up $2 to down more than $4 by the end of the day. Talk about someone jumping. You got to throw, you know what? You got to put a flag. $5 penalty, repeat first down. The simple fact is that when a company is well run as Microsoft starts laying off people, it is not a good sign. Microsoft's long been viewed as one of the most tremendously stable growers out there. They got a hammerlock in the enterprise and the consumer, along with the most robust cloud infrastructure platform aside from Amazon. Microsoft's supposed to be a lot more consistent than the bloated tech outfits that desperately need to cut costs, all those ridiculous enterprise software companies that came public in the last years. But apparently they had more in common than we thought. Plus, it came at the worst possible time, right when we began to hear from CEOs at Davos calling for a mild recession. Well, I love that. Mild. I think it's mild unless you get laid off. That's not so bad. Brian Moynihan said on last Friday's earnings call that his firm's baseline scenario was a mild recession, but he spent much more time emphasizing the positive. But in an interview on CNBC this morning, he sounded much more cautious. Maybe it was just the right thing to say. After all, last night, Scott Kirby, CEO of United Airlines, reported a phenomenal quarter. But he also said a mild recession might be in the forecast.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.